you open the front pages of the paper, and there's certain things that are going to strike you. And this is available at any newsstand, probably right outside this building. But if you look at the force structure today, I don't have a crystal ball, and I can't tell you where it's going to be tomorrow. But at least for today, it's getting a little bit smaller. Things are getting a little bit leaner. Resources are getting a little bit tighter. I would hope that that would certainly inform some of the decisions that are being made as technology is being explored. Things that relate to that in terms of efficiency. When we talk about reduced size, weight, power, what does that mean? Does anyone have an idea how much it costs to transport a gallon of gas from a Texaco in the United States to somewhere in the mountains of Afghanistan? So something that's more efficient and smaller that uses less resources is ultimately going to cost a lot less. If you're not thinking about things like spectrum and spectral efficiency, I would challenge you to consider it. Cyber, certainly comments made by the industry partner as well as Lieutenant Colonel Campbell. You've got some pretty savvy enemies that are out there, and cyber is not going away. And so the way that we choose to defend our networks is something that's going to be more important by the day. Just challenge you to think about that. We've come to rely on a lot of different assets. Is there anything that may cause a heavier return to terrestrial type communications? What if you're in a situation where you either opt not to use satellite technology, it's unavailable? What do you do? And probably one of the things I'd like to leave you with, actually two things. Think about things like interoperability. And I know that may not be the nature of, or an immediate knee-jerk nature of a commercial product. But if you think about things like interoperability and open architecture, where maybe not going after 100% of the prize is a win, but if there's a way that you can build something that has an interface that can interface with other things so that things can learn to play more seamlessly and well together, that's probably something I would leave you with to think about. But I didn't mean to run over, but I did want to offer a couple of thoughts that industry can hopefully take away and give some thought to get some value out of today. Thanks.